how to change icon size in Windows 10. There's a very easy way of changing icon size on Windows 10. As you can see right now, my icon size are quite small. So I'm going to show you how to change it to medium or large, and that will be very simple. First of all, we need to go to our desktop, and then we just right click anywhere on the desktop, then we go to View, and over here we've got three settings: small icons, medium icons and large icons. So if we click on medium, for example, our icons will become bigger, just like you can see right now. If you right click, go to View, choose large, our icons will become very large, just like you see over here, super large icons. And if you right click, go to View and choose small, we will go to small icons. So just pick the size that you like the most, and this is how we can change the size of the icons. And now I'm going to show you how to change the size of the icons in folders. So if we want to change the size of the icons in folders, as you can see right here, we've got two icons over here. All we have to do is go here to the View, and in View we can choose different icon sizes. For example, here we've got medium, here we've got large icons or extra large, or we can see small icons or tiles. So over here, all you have to do is click on one of those settings, let's say extra large icons, and this is how the icons will look like in folder. So that's how we change the icon size inside of the folder. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and if you have any questions you can ask them, I'll try to answer all of them. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!